All right, Matthew's gonna do a little indoor media blasting today. Check this out. Okay, so we're doing a little blasting today, but unfortunately, like we normally would do, we can't do it outside because, well, we're dealing with that still. Yay us, right? So, what we set up was an indoor facility. Check this out. So Matthew made a curtain, kind of like our old shop paint booth, actually. Matthew's got curtains all set up. And Matthew's inside of here, ready to do a little blasting. Alright. Looks like you've been doing a little bit already. How's she working, Bubby?
Working great. You're gonna need a shower after this one.
Oh yeah. I think the cleanup's gonna be pretty decent though. Let it all dry and sweep it up.
Yep.
Alright, let's see how she works.
A little demonstration?
Yes, please. Nice. That works good, Bubby.
Works great.
Alright.
No dust.
No dust and an indoor sandblaster.
Yep.
Yes. Alright. I'm going to get out of here because I'm going to get covered in poo-poo. So you do your thing, Bubby.
I will.
Alright. Alright, so Matthew's got the media blasting done. I'm very impressed with how this wet media works. Again, I wasn't looking to get bare metal here. We are putting POR 15, but I mean, you can see here, this is looking good. I'm really happy with this. Gotta remember, this is a truck that came from the salt belt, so this thing looked like a coral reef, but yeah, really happy with the results. We'll get it dried off, get some POR 15 on here, and then I've got some interior coatings we're gonna put on the inside of the chassis as well, and axles as well. So yeah, made a little bit of a mess, but my hope is that this will dry up and we just sweep it up and we recollect it. And there you have it. Freshly blasted, wet media chassis. Okay, looks good.